Money comes and goes, but wisdom stays forever. In 2025, saving money has become more important than ever because of inflation and the rising cost of living. But here, the twist to saving money is not just about numbers, it is also about mindset. Philosophers from ancient times have left us wisdom that can guide us in our financial journey today. In this video, we will explore 5 powerful ways to save money in 2025. Each way, inspired by the words of great philosophers, stays until the end of the video because of number 5 could completely transform your financial life. Make sure you tap on the button of subscribe in order to notify other videos when we upload it. The number first way that help you to save your money, it is to track your expenses. Most people do not realize where their money goes. The first step in saving money is to track your expenses every single dollar. This first step is very important when you want to become rich in future time through in saving your little money. Write it down or use a budgeting app. Philosopher Socrates once said, "An examined life is not worth living." If you do not examine your financial life, you will never know where your money disappears. Example, just like Socrates encouraged people to question their action, you can question your daily spending. Maybe you will notice that you spend $3 on coffee every morning. That's near $90 per month. By making coffee at home, you could redirect that money into your saving. The second way, cook more money at home. Food is one of the biggest expenses. Eating out feels convenient, but it drains your wallet quickly. Cooking at home is healthier and cheaper. Philosopher Epicurus taught that through happiness comes from simple pleasure, not luxury. He said, "If you wish to be rich, do not add to your money but subtract it from your desires." Examples, instead of spending $15 on fast food, you could cook a meal at home for $5. That is $10 saved each time. If you do this 3 times a week, you will save about $120 per month. Like Epicurus, you will learn that joy does not come from your expensive meal, but from the peace of financial freedom. The third way, it tells us, cancel unused subscription. Many of us sign up for streaming services, gambling membership, or apps we rarely use. There's a small month charges add up to hundreds of dollars a year. Philosopher Seneca, a great stoic, said that it is not to the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. Having 5 different streaming subscriptions will not make you richer in joy, it makes you poor in money. Examples, imagine you pay for Netflix, Disney, Spotify, and Gummy. You will visit. That could easily be $50 and monthly or $90 per year. By canceling what you will not use, save money, but also live with less clutter in your life. Just a Seneca advice. Number 4 ways, but buy in bulk and look for discount. Buying in bulk may seem more expensive up front, but in the long run, it saves money. Discount coupons and cashback offer are also powerful tools to reduce cost. Philosopher Aristotle believes in the golden mean, not too much, not too little. He said the best measure of a man is how he uses what he has. This applies to money as well as be wise in how you use your resources. Examples: instead of buying one bottle of cooking oil every week at $5, you could buy 4 liters container for $15. That's like getting one bottle of free. By practicing Aristotle balance, you learn to use money wisely, not by overspending, but finding smart middle ground. The last way, it is the very important that help you completely to transform your money in financial life. It is automobile your money saving. The easiest way to save it is the automobile. It is set up automatic transfer to your saving account every week or month. You will not even notice the money leaving, but your saving will grow, philosophers computers said. The man who moves a mountain begins by clearing away small stones. Saving money is the same small amount added up to great achievements. Examples: if you save just $5 per day, automatically that becomes $150 per month and $1,080 per year. In 10 years, without noticing, you could have over $180 saved. That is the powerful of small steps, as considerers thought. So there you have it, 5 ways to save money in 2025, guided by the wisdom of philosophers. Socrates teaches us to examine our expenses. Epicurus shows us happiness in simplicity. Seneca warns us against craving unnecessary luxuries. Aristotle teaches balance in spending. Confucius reminds us that small, consistent steps build wealth. Saving money is not just about having more money. It is about living wisely. Which of these 3 reasons speeches to you the most? Let me know it is to comment. And if you want to more videos, financial tips and timeless wisdom, do not forget to subscribe, like video and share this video in order to notify other videos that help you to save money. Share this video to other your friends. Get how to save money in 2025. These 5 steps to help you to save money and how you can get money very easy. Make sure you tap on subscribe and then you notify other videos when we upload it.